running.
So, I mean, is it maybe it's no great surprise, but how have Russia got their hands on western parts?
Well, this is all based on a report by the Royal United Services Institute, which is a London-based think tank, and they've basically sent some experts out into Ukrainian territory to look at to analyze different Russian systems. They've picked 27, and all of those 27 were made up of various components from the West, and we're talking about small electronic components that wouldn't necessarily be obvious from pictures that have been seen circulated on the internet. And in these 27 systems, there were a staggering 450 components from Western nations. 317 of them were from US companies. There's only a small number from the UK, 5 from the UK, and also a lot of others from Germany, the likes of China, South Korea, and Taiwan. So it's a fascinating report.
And presumably, there is no way that British companies can prevent their parts from getting in the hands of the Russians.
No, well, we spoke to one of the companies, which is named in the report. They're called Golage Electronics. They're based in the UK, and the report basically says that they've supplied. Well, they've not, they're not deliberately
Mm.
supplied, but their highly specialized kit, which are known as standard crystals and oscillators, have been found in some of these weapons. And so the company said to us that since February the 24th, since the invasion, they hadn't been they'd had strict export laws. They hadn't been sending any of these weapons intentionally to Russia, of course.
Mm.
And they were deeply concerned about the findings. And the implication there is that they didn't deliberately do it. They couldn't avoid it.
Mm.
Russia has apparently been using special forces as well to try and secretly obtain some of these electronics. And so, of course, that makes it very difficult for companies to stop it.
Yes, really interesting. Larisa, thank you.